Let's take this example. Say we create a box and we put this lady in the box. Think that this box, this lady is within this box. Okay. Now, how is the box? This is the middle part of this box. Okay. And say this is the wall which is behind this lady. Let's take one example. This is the middle line. This is where the head and the middle portion. Now, if I draw one line from here, say, you draw this, all this line and all. Okay, now how do we define that what line, what it is? From the head, from this, where is the length of the both the elbows? From here, if I take a middle line, straight drop, this is where the point of intersection. This is where the point of intersection, and then from here these are the two main points. So now this is the same, I have drawn the box and I started implementing the head as I have drawn here, and then started putting the way we made the concept. So see, this is the easiest way. Let's not look into making a grid system. And also the point which I have said, the point of intersection, this is where I kept it, the hand and everything. By this way you are actually avoiding grid process and you can draw a freehand drawing. So preliminary you need these boxes and all this thing. At there will be a point where you don't need any boxes, you can directly draw it. But it all depends upon how much uh, practice you do it. But yes, this is how you, once you this is ready, then you would be start working on the nose and start facing. So look at the face. And this very interesting subject, and you have to see the shading process here, because there is a lot of reflective light, lot of ups and down in the face. Getting the exact face, it is very difficult and you have to spend time. So here let us draw the entire drawing, and then we would start working on the main shading part. So I just erase the additional lines which I drew it for the drawing. Now I have an idea that okay, now this is how it will look like, this is what the shoulder is from here. And just to remind you, this is an AI generated photo which I understood. And from here you have to rectify and put your own mind, not what the AI has thought of it. So what I've done, that I have removed the blanket and gave the leg the way I wanted it to be. Now here, once this pant is done, you have to start working on the other part. But I have given all the legs the way I wanted to be. I didn't want to follow the same what the AI has done it. And at the same time here, this part I want to add the leg and not looking at the face. For the next shading part is very interesting. I am keeping it for the next reel. Keep watching and keep following for the next reel. Thank you so much for watching.